Hey, welcome everyone. I can hear the applause in the background. Welcome. How you guys doing? My name is Victor Anyanwu and you are welcome to the Social Media Strategies, Weapons and Tactics Show. Social Media SWAT. How you guys been? Okay, today, something interesting again. We're talking about Instagram. How to sell on Instagram, right? 5 key steps, all right, to actually selling and making, real good money, right? Not just real good money on Instagram, right? 5 key steps, all right? So I'll talk about it when I get back. Now, please remember to subscribe, click the notification button, all right? If you are new to this channel, all right? If you are new, thank you for coming. Good to have you. Please subscribe so that when next I share videos, you won't miss it. Okay? All right, guys. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys when I get back. Aha! I am back. All right. So now, if you have not subscribed, please do. Okay? Thank you. All right. So, what are the step-by-step ways, all right, that I sell on Instagram? Step-by-step ways that I use, that I teach, all right, and it works all the time to sell on Instagram. Step by step. All right. So take out your pen and paper. Write. I'm telling you, very important. You probably need to save this video too. Very, very important. Step number 1. Make sure they can find you. There is no need. It's a waste of time to be the best thing. You are the best thing after what? You're the best thing after crude oil. You're the best thing after the internet, right? But nobody knows that you're the best. Imagine the internet exists and nobody knows that the internet actually exists. It's crazy, right? So you have to be found. You have to make sure that you can be found. Your visibility has to be good. People have to be able to find you, all right? So your name or your platform or your page or whatever has to be search engine optimized. You have to be found. All right. Your content has to be search engine optimized. You have to be found. All right. Now, most social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, all these guys are focusing a lot more on search engine optimizations on their platforms, so that when people do searches on Google and all the search engines, they posts from them or content from them can be found in those places. All right, that's what they're trying to make sure that happens, so that when people do search, maybe searches for a topic on Google, for example, right? Google should be able to pull out a post from Instagram or Twitter or something, right? That's what they want. Okay, so that's why they are optimizing their platform for social media search. Now, if they optimize their platform, you also need to optimize your own page. Okay, your page has to be visible. You have to use the keywords people are using to search for you, right? I know you want to describe yourself as the best thing after crude oil, after toasted bread or whatever, right? I know you want to describe yourself like that. I know you want to describe yourself as the brain enhancer. I know you want to describe yourself as Andrew the Giant or whatever, right? But you should not be interested in that. You should be interested in being found. And so to be found, you need to describe yourself with the words that your customers will use to find you, right? So if your customer was to search for you, what would they use to search for you? If your customer was to search for your services, what will they use to search for your services? What keywords will they use, all right? If they're going to use regular day-to-day conversation kind of words, those are the kind of words you should use to describe yourself. For example, will your customer use pap to search for you if you sell pap, or they will use akamu? If they will use akamu, why not just call yourself a akamu seller? Do you understand? Right? If they will use Ogi, why not just call yourself an Ogi seller? Why paint it and say you are the breakfast? There was one interesting one I saw. Breakfast something. If I'm looking for a camel, would I type breakfast blah blah blah? No, I won't. All right, I would type a camel because that's what I'm looking for. A camel. You get it now? Use the keywords that your customers will use to search for whatever they are looking for. Use those keywords to describe yourself. Use those keywords in your bio. All right, so that's number one. You need to be visible. You need to be found. Use keywords. Make them search engine optimized. All right, when you are making your posts, use those keywords, because those keywords are also being optimized on the platform. The platforms are pushing out those keywords, so use them even when you're making your regular posts. Okay, all right, so that's one. Now two, provide value. All right, now you're pushing out content, you have to provide value. You are educating people on whatever topic that you are an expert in. All right, or you are entertaining them, like all the comedians and singers and dancers, right? Those guys are entertaining us. Big ups to you guys, right? So you, whatever it is that you do, whatever it is that you are good in, like what I'm doing now, I'm educating you, right? This is my own value. So I'm creating this content to provide value. What value is that? Education. All right, so what value are you providing? All right, are you entertaining people? Are you educating people? Are you informing people? All right, what value are you providing? Provide that value, right? So when they search for you, they search for your services, they see the value that you provide, they engage with your content. It continues to help grow your visibility and grow your authority. Okay, number three, you need to demonstrate authority. All right, demonstrate authority. Now, you have a blog. If you have a blog and you are writing stuff on your blog and you are teaching stuff, you are demonstrating authority. On your LinkedIn post, you are writing stuff, you are educating people on particular things, you are demonstrating authority. All right, demonstrate authority. Demonstrating authority is important because it shows that you are knowledgeable about that subject matter. Right? So you are teaching on whatever subject, you are sharing on whatever knowledge matter, and people are like, okay, I like what this guy is doing. You know, he's demonstrating authority. I think he can solve the problem. I think this guy can help me get to my destination. I think this guy has an idea of what I want to do. I think this guy can help me get so and so and so. All right? Because you have put out knowledge. You have demonstrated authority. Okay, very, very important. Whatever content you're pushing out, make sure that that content is connecting, all right, with your community, all right, providing value that they like, providing value that they can connect with, right, but also demonstrating authority, all right, in the sense that people at the end of reading that thing, they'll be like, okay, I got something from this. This guy is the real deal, all right. Now, number 4, solve problems. Solve problems. Just little things. Okay, for me now, for example. So your Facebook ads, you try to do this, this is the issue. Just go here, twist this a little bit, and you would have solved it. Solve problems. All right? Start with little problems. All right? People, okay, now there is pain, there is pleasure, right? People will run away from pain faster than they will run to pleasure. So let me take that again. People will run away from pain faster than they will run to pleasure. All right? So pleasure is good. Pain is worse. All right? So if they have a pain, they want to deal with the pain first. Nobody's thinking about pleasure at this time. They just want to deal with the pain first. All right, so pain is very, very important. So focus on pains, deal with pains, solve pain problems. All right, solve pain problems. If you find your sick people, all right, you will sell more than if you are looking for your people who want pleasure. All right, so describe the problem, agitate the problem, destroy the problem, provide solution to the problem. The minute you do that, you would have provided value that we talked about earlier. You would have demonstrated authority, knowledge, all right, you would have solved the problem. Okay, so the minute you solve problems, people now be okay, wow, this guy just saved me so and so, right? Now, the minute you start solving little problems, you can now go to step 5. Step 5, you ask for the sale. Okay, so what is the sale? You actually ask them to pay you for something. So you were able to solve a little issue in the Facebook ad stuff, right? So now you can actually say, okay, there is a bigger issue, all right? And the bigger issue is, how do you get the Facebook ads to convert at the end? All right, I can help you do that. That's a bigger thing. So you fix something. Somebody was like, okay, fine. I'm having an issue. I'm trying to get people to download my app. All right. What type of advert do you think I should run? And you say, okay, that's simple. You can run app install adverts. Just pick the app install objective. All right, from Facebook. There is the app install objective. Now, if you pick the app install objective and you run that ad, it will just take people to download the app. All right, app install objective, downloads app, period. So if you want people to install your app, that's free tip. If you want people to install your app, pick the app install objective. Okay, stop picking boost and all those things that you guys always do. Pick the app install objective. Now the app install objective will just take people straight and they'll go to where they need to click to download the app. So you solved that problem and the guy is happy. Thank you very much. Now he tries to do that, but he runs into a bigger problem and he's not able to convert even though he has picked that one, right? So the conversion is still a bit poor. So there are several other things that he needs to do. You now tell him, okay, fine, I could help you just fix the whole value chain, the whole Facebook value chain, and I'll be you like this. So you solve the little problem. Now the guy has a bigger problem and it's back to you. You see it now, right? So since it's back to you, because you have demonstrated authority, you have demonstrated that you have knowledge in this area, that you are knowledgeable, you have solved the problems, right? So if you solve the little one, he's sure you can solve the bigger one, and he's here to you. Now you can ask for the sale. Now the guy has trust. No selling takes place unless there is trust. Anytime you have issues closing your sale, check out what's happening with your trust quotient. Your trust is probably down. The minute your trust starts climbing up, you start making money. All right? Know, like, and trust. People need to know you first. If they like you, they will listen to you. If they trust you, they will buy from you. All right? So focus on converting everything you are doing online. Focus on growing your trust quotient. The minute your trust quotient is going up, it means that your conversions will be going up too. All right? Thank you very much for listening to my show. Thank you very much for listening to today. So if you have any questions, please type in the comments. I will respond to all your questions. You can follow me across all social media platforms. I am at the Oracle VA. All right? At TheOracleva. Across all social media platforms. You can talk to me on WhatsApp at 234-817710-8267. Please remember to subscribe and click the notification button. Like the video. Let's see those things climbing. We do a lot, all right, to provide this value. Just if you like it, then we know that you like it, all right? Because we don't know. All right, so you might just watch it and be like, this guy is crap. Just like it so that we'll know that you actually like it. So if we know that, these are the kind of videos that you like, then we can create more of it.